All right, and then just one of our ab exercises, which I'm sure most of you know, but just to review, we're going to do a boat tuck in. So we start in a boat, we extend, bring our knees back in, and then kayaker, so twist, twist. And then always option to either put your hands down as you extend back in, and then come down. You can drop your heels to do that twist. Balance version, you can leave both heels down and extend one leg, and then put that heel back down, twist, twist, and then second side. Extend, tuck, and then making sure that they bring their shoulders back and sit up nice and long and tall in their spine. Thank you.